Hey guys, I'm Caitlin from Leave Me Alone Plants, and today I am here with this large in charge girl, Hannah the Canna. This canna plant, if you are familiar with cannas, you'll know that they come in a large variety of different breeds, and I don't think plants are called breeds. I think they're called like cultivars, varieties. I don't know. Guys, I'm not like scientific here, but anyway, I'm not exactly sure which cultivar this is in particular. This one has kind of these beautiful green leaves with this almost purple and blue kind of coating on them. So I think this one is so gorgeous. It blooms out these big orange flowers, which I'm not sure where it went. There was a bloom somewhere forming on here. I don't know where it went. There it is. Now these plants put out these gorgeous flowers which are colorful and big and almost kind of similar to like a lily. But most typically when you see people growing these plants, they're growing them outside. Now if you're someone like me who is just, in the lifelong goal to turn the inside of your house into a forest, then you might opt to grow one of these indoors like myself, and I think that's a great option. Obviously you can see I have this guy potted up right here. They do get pretty big, so you're definitely going to want to have somewhere that has a little bit of space and, a bigger pot. This guy might be ready for a little bit of an upsize, but he doesn't seem to, be hating it, so we're just going to leave him for now. Now, like most plants that do grow outdoors, this guy is going to be a sun lover. He is going to like a lot of light, so kind of transitioning it from outdoors into your home setting, you really are going to want to look for a place for it that's going to be really close to a window or is going to get a lot of light exposure, or if you can't, do either of those, then maybe opting to put a grow light or some kind of other light over it is really going to help this guy out. And I, not always, but I think that's a good rule of thumb when you're kind of taking an outdoor plant and bringing it inside. Well, I guess technically all plants are technically outdoor plants, but plants that are more traditionally thought as outdoor plants as opposed to house plants. Now, in terms of watering requirement for this girl, let me tell you, she's a thirsty girl, okay? This plant drinks a lot of water, and honestly, she could be using a little water right now. So we'll get to that after. And typically, with most plants, if you start to notice them, drooping or kind of curling up, it's a good sign that it might be time for some water. If you can provide it for them, they do also, like humidity. I haven't been doing the best job. It is, spring / summer. It's May. I think that's still spring. It's springtime here in Arizona. Our humidity is not that high, and it has been getting a little bit of crispy edges. So if you're experiencing that problem with them, try, maybe putting them on a pebble tray or just getting a little tiny humidifier to put by it, and that should help you out. Now, depending on their breed, depending on the conditions that you're giving it, this guy can get anywhere from like 2 feet to 10 feet, which is a pretty big range. But probably chances are if you're growing this guy inside like me, it's gonna more so stay in this kind of like 2-ish foot range. So this guy's probably about maxed out for, growing inside my house, but if I was to plant this in the ground, it wouldn't surprise me if he really took off. Now, these plants are a type of plant that will go dormant in the winter, so I know for me, when I first started getting the plants, dormancy was like, I didn't know about it, I didn't understand it. I was like, why are all my plants dying? But these plants will go dormant. It's up to you. You can kind of either let them do their thing, and that's fine, or you can completely cut them back, and come spring or summer, they'll kind of just sprout up from there. So your choice, grower's choice. Now, one fun fact that I read about these guys that I didn't know, because again, I don't grow this outside, is that hummingbirds actually love these plants, which I thought was super cool. I do have some local hummingbirds that love to come visit my bougainvillea outside, so maybe I'd even consider putting this guy outside when it's not so dang hot out there. But if you're trying to attract those beneficial birds or just nice little wildlife into your yard, then this might be a great plant to promote that. That is all I have for today on our beautiful canna plant here. If you had questions about this plant that I did not answer, did not touch on, did not go over, feel free to drop them in the comments down below, and I will do my best to find out for you and get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more care videos on all kinds of plants, maybe some unboxings, maybe some other stuff. I don't know, I'm kind of new to this whole YouTube thing. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next one.